The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time to start is now.
You're 21, fresh out of college, cap and gown, diploma in your hand. You say, give me 10 years, I'll be a millionaire. I'll build a legacy. Fast forward, now you're 31, car note overdue, rent eating half your paycheck, kids need new shoes, medical bills sitting on the counter, every morning stuck in traffic, heading to a job you can't stand. Every night, microwave pizza and a six-pack to forget it. And that promise, it still haunts you.
It wasn't one big failure. It was 1,000 weak choices. Stopping for McDonald's every night because you were too tired to cook. Telling your kid, not now, I'm busy because work drained every ounce of you. Skipping the gym because traffic already stole 2 hours of your day. You told yourself it was temporary. You told yourself you'd catch up later. But later never came. And now 10 years are gone.
10 years gone. Don't sit there crying about it. The clock doesn't care. What matters now is the next 10. Keep skipping the gym because you're too tired. Keep grabbing McDonald's on the way home. Keep telling your kid not now because work drained you. Keep saying later. Do that. And at 40, you'll be disgusted with the man in the mirror.
You said you'd be different. You said you'd be disciplined. You said you'd build a life worth living. That was the promise, and you didn't keep it. 10 years later, you're softer, weaker, and still making excuses. But here's the thing. You didn't promise anyone else. You promised you. And if you can't keep your own word, then what the hell do you have left?
You promised you, and you broke it. How long are you going to keep lying to yourself? How many more mornings will you roll over instead of getting up? How many more nights will you waste on the couch? How many more years will you throw away before you finally keep your word? No more excuses. No more pretending. You said you'd be different. Prove it.
You're not dead yet. You're still breathing. You're still moving. You still have time. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now. Not tomorrow, not Monday, now. Every choice you make from this moment forward decides the man staring back at you at 40. Keep wasting time and you'll hate what you see. Start today and you'll become the man you promised to be.
Every day from here on out is a battlefield. The enemy is comfort. The enemy is laziness. The enemy is the voice in your head telling you to quit. You fight it when the alarm goes off. You fight it when you're sore and don't want to train. You fight it when you reach for junk food. You fight it when you'd rather collapse on the couch. Win enough of those battles and you win the war.
Time isn't waiting for you. Every day you waste is gone forever. Look at the last 10 years. They disappeared before you even noticed. The next 10 will vanish even faster. It's not about whether you can do it. It's about whether you'll stop wasting what's left. Because once time is gone, that's it. Game over.
If you don't want to regret the next 10 years, stop wasting days. Stop chasing comfort. Stop lying to yourself. Wake up early. Do the work. Train your body. Discipline your mind. Show up for your family. Stack enough pain. And when 40 hits, you'll feel pride.
Pride doesn't come cheap. It costs blood. It costs sweat. It costs years of doing the shit you don't want to do. Most men won't pay that price. They'll keep wasting time. They'll keep drowning in excuses. They'll die with regret. You made a promise. Bleed for it now. Face the mirror and prove it.
No more waiting. No more excuses. No more lies. The time is now. The fight is now. The man you promised is built now. So get up, lock in, do the work. You promised you. Now prove it.